Have you ever thought about starting your own medicinal herb garden? Imagine having natural remedies at your fingertips, enhancing your meals with homegrown herbs, and experiencing the joy of cultivating life. Well, today we're going to guide you through the process of starting your own medicinal herb garden. The first step to starting your garden is choosing the right herbs. It's crucial to consider your personal needs and your local climate. For example, mint, basil, and chamomile are popular medicinal herbs that may just be perfect for you. Remember, the best herbs to grow are the ones that suit your needs and thrive in your local climate. Now that you've chosen your herbs, it's time to prepare your garden. Start by selecting a sunny, well-drained location. Next, enrich the soil with organic compost, ensuring it's loose and fertile. Remember, a well-prepared garden provides a strong foundation for your herbs to flourish and grow. You're now ready to plant your herbs and care for them. Sow seeds or nestle seedlings into the soil, ensuring they have room to spread. Regular watering, diligent weeding, and proactive pest control are essential. Remember, patience and consistent care are key to a thriving medicinal herb garden. So there you have it, a simple guide to starting your own medicinal herb garden. We've covered everything from selecting the right herbs that suit your needs to preparing your garden space, and even the proper care for your herbs to ensure they thrive. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.